Hi friends, it's Justo Villalobos. I'm the president and CEO of Buildworth Strategies. And for you guys out there wanting to have healthy credit, I'm gonna show you a few solutions, so stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. We all wanna have a beautiful home, an automobile, or even go on a dream vacation with our family. Things that make our family life more comfortable. But if you don't have good credit, you could feel yourself feeling rejected and frustrated. I'm here to tell you that there is a solution. And at Buildworth Strategies, we've created a 3-phase process. Step 1, we will help you to restore your credit by disputing your negative information. Step 2, we will help you to rebuild new lines of credits if needed. And step 3, we will educate you on the formula of credit. If you follow this proven concept, in the next 90 days, you will be able to significantly increase your credit scores, improving the quality of life for your family.